Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we want to show what makes a line a tangent to a circle. Alright, so a quick one. If you have a circle and you have a tangent, there are two ways. I'm going to take you through the first one. So you need to solve the two equations simultaneously. Now, you are going to get a quadratic equation. Then you find the discriminant. If the discriminant is equal to 0, we know for a discriminant b is equal to 0, we have only one root. So for one root, it means that the curve touches the x-axis only. So that is all that we are going to do. So we are going to solve these two equations simultaneously. So let's start. So from the equation 5x plus 12y, which is equal to 4, you can make any of the variables the subject. And then the circle 2 is x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So from this minus 2x, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 1, we can say that 5x is equal to 4 minus 12y. Divide both sides by 5. So our x is 4 minus 12y over 5. Then put this one in the circle. So wherever we see x, we put this whole expression there. So this implies that 4 minus 12y over 5 all squared plus y squared minus 2 times 4 minus 12y over 5 minus 12y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then simplify. So we are going to have 4 minus 12y all squared divided by 5 squared is 25 plus y squared minus, let this one go inside, so that we have 8 minus 24y over 5 then minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let's continue further. This is equal to, so let's multiply through by 25, which is the LCM. So we're going to get 4 minus 12y all squared plus then 25y squared minus, over here when we multiply by 25, 5 will go into 25 5 times. So we'll be left with 5 times 8 minus 24y. Then we have 2y times minus 25. So we have minus plus 25 is equal to 0. So let's expand further. When we expand this, we have 16 minus 96y plus 144y squared plus 25y squared. When we open up this, we have minus 40 plus 120y minus 50y plus 25 is equal to 0. So you continue to group the like terms. So this plus that, we are getting 169y squared, then minus 96y plus 120y minus 50y, we are getting minus 26y. Then we have 16 minus 40 plus 25, we are getting plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Let's find the discriminant. So the nature of the root will determine whether the line touches the circle or not. So discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So from this quadratic equation, our a is equal to 169, b is minus 26, c is equal to 1. This implies that d is equal to minus 26 squared minus 4 times 169 times 1. So this is equal to, we have 676 minus 676, and this is equal to 0. So if you have a quadratic equation and you find the discriminant, and the discriminant is equal to 0, what it means is that that curve touches the x-axis or touches the axis at one point. So this is how, right, it touches at one point. This time it's y, so it will come somewhere here. It will touch the y-axis at one point, either here or that. So which means that the line will touch the curve at one point. That makes it a tangent. So since the discriminant is equal to 0, it implies that the line 5x plus 12y, which is equal to 4, is a tangent. It's a tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we were asked to find the point of contact if indeed the line is a tangent. So we are going to find the point of contact, and for the point of contact we just have to solve this quadratic equation and get the values. We have 169y squared minus 26y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a perfect square. Now how do we know that it's a perfect square? The first value here is a perfect square. Square root of 169 is 13, and then 1, 2 is a perfect square. Square root of 1 is 1. Now 2 times 13 times 1 is giving out 26. So this is how check whether a quadratic equation is a perfect square or not. Yes. So in that case, in solving, when we have 169y squared minus 13y plus 1 is equal to 0, which means that we have 13y minus 1 times 13y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is square root, which means that we can take 13y is equal to 0, which implies that y is equal to 1 over 13. That is not all. We said that x is equal to 4 minus 12y over 5. So this is equal to 4 minus 12 times 1 over 13 over 5. And when we simplify, we are getting x to be 8 over 13. Now we were asked to find the point of contact. So after getting the values of x and y respectively, we need to put them in a point form. So therefore, point of contact is equal to x is 8 on 13, and then y is 1 on 13. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you will be alerted wherever you are.